426. Where is our room? 422. 425. We must be near it. 4. Yeah, Samar, you're in charge.
Sure.
This is a room in the Royal Meridien Hotel in Abu Dhabi. We got ourselves a king suite, but 2 single beds. That's the bed for Summer. That's the bed for me. The room is very good, very clean. We got ourselves 2 complimentary water, tissues, normal amenities. This is where we're going to put our luggage. Oh, that's nice. We have our TV, computer desk, working desk. Let's have a look at the bathroom here. Oh, this is really superb. We have our own bathtub, nice clean big shower. Our amenities, another 2 complimentary bottle of water. It's so clean and new, sparkling clean, immaculate. Look how beautifully lit up the hallway is in this hotel. Super clean. Wow. Very impressive. It's a nice restaurant. This is my favorite part, Summer. Look how beautiful. It's a restaurant. What can you eat? I love this road. Look at this. Oh, wow. It's super beautiful. It's a market kitchen restaurant here.
Oh, hello.
I just like to see where you're sitting, and then I'll go.
Yeah, I'm getting more calamari.
Oh, look at this. So beautiful. It is super hot. It's in the middle of the day. This is the swimming pool at the Meridian. It's super hot. So I don't know if I can handle the heat. I may go a little later. Hello. It's super hot. Maybe I'll come back later. Is it too hot when in the pool? So I will come back later on about 4-5 o'clock when it's a little cooler. I think I'm a little lost. Hello. Hi. I think I'm lost. I'm just trying to get back to the hotel. This way, the market It's too hot to swim, so I'll go later.
Yeah, we have to like.
Where is the door to go back to the foyer from the pool? It's locked. The restaurant door is locked.
No, it's open now from the other side, man. But it's open.
Oh, sorry. I'll just go this way. I'll come back later because it's too hot.
You just have to straight on that's the lobby side, man.
Oh, I know. Thank you. Thank you so much. I got lost. Typical. Look how beautiful and clean this hotel. Love the tiles. Oh, it's way too hot for me, so I will go a little later to the pool.